So, do you want to play some fetch? Come on, let's play some fetch. Now, where's the stick? I'm gonna show you guys what my dog knows. Pretzel, come here real quick. Do you want to play fetch? You do. Now let me just switch this camera. Let me just switch hands real quick. Oops. Okay. Stick. Here you go. You already sat? Oh, you know good things, Poppy. Ready? Go! Come on. Come on. Bring it back. Good girl. So, here's another thing. Sit. Come here, sit. Good. Okay, ready? No, sit. Here's the stick. Hey, Pretzel, jump. Good. I was holding it very low. Now let's try it a little bit higher. Pretzel, drop it. Sit. Jump. Jump. Good. Good girl. You are a good puppy indeed. Lay's, the original potato chips. Pretzel, would you like some Lay's potato chips? Come here. Pretzel. Good. Now sit. Let me just get you a little chip. Good. Now, I want to teach you, well, she already knows how to stay, so I'm going to do that here. Okay. Stay. Come. Sit. Good puppy. Good. Okay. Oh, she's still eating it. Let me just grab another chip. There we go. Do you want some more? Okay, sit. Lay down. Good. Up, up. Sit. Jump. Jump. Oh, I actually dropped it. Let me try that one more time. Come here. Sit. Jump. Good. That is exactly what my dog knows most of it, and she also knows, look who's here. Look who's here. Look, Pretzel, look who's here. Look, look, Pretzel, look who's here. Look. She knows that. And she also knows, she's very smart. She knows a lot of things. This good old Doge knows a lot of things. She's very smart. German Australian Shepherd mixed. Calm down, buddy. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.